nakasikip yata sa'yo yung palda.
Ewan ko nga eh. Sinunod ko naman yung sukat na ginawa ni ma'am. Ito pa nga yun eh. 50 centimeters para sa haba, tapos 1 centimeter allowance on both sides. 45 centimeters para sa bewang, tapos 1 centimeter allowance on both sides.
Tinay, it's not just 45 centimeters. It's 45 and 9/10 centimeters. And the allowance needed is not just 1 centimeter. It's 1 and 5/10 centimeters. These are decimals. Did you notice them?
Decimals?
The 9/10 and 5/10 in the measurements.
Ay, yun ba? Eh, importante pa ba mga yun?
Oo naman, decimals are parts of a whole.
Ah, like fractions!
Yes! Nasaan yung tape measure natin?
Nandun o.
Look. This is 1 centimeter. How many parts are there in a centimeter?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 parts in a centimeter.
Tama! Those parts are called millimeters. 1 millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter. Or, in decimals, it is 1/10 centimeter.
So you mean 1.5?
1 and 5/10.
Okay. So, 1 and 5/10 centimeters means 1 centimeter and 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters is 5/10 of a centimeter, or 5/10 centimeter. Add it to 1 centimeter, that's 1 and 5/10 centimeters!
Tama! So, 45 and 9/10 centimeters means 45 centimeters and 9 millimeters.
9 millimeters is 9/10 of a centimeter. Add that to 45 centimeters, that's 45 point... Ay, mali! 45 and 9/10 centimeter!
Ay,
Tinay, kaya naman pala hindi kaya sa yung palda. We didn't include the decimals. They are very important.
now I know. Ay, paano ngayon